Hey, what's up? Sam here. So after yesterday's Realme GT2 video, many of you, not so many of you because currently there are only 100 comments, wanted to know more about the Pro version. After all, as Realme said in the launch event, this phone is the first true high-end flagship phone. Don't they say this each time for the new phones? Anyway, in this video, let's talk about it. This video is from my long-time partner Phoenix Lab. They are a group of professional and dedicated tech enthusiasts based in China. Make sure to subscribe to their channel if you're interested. This video is not going to be very long because I will just translate their conclusions about the GT2 Pro's performance and something special about the phone. Let's go! First things first, about the unboxing. Everybody loves the packaging because it's very textured and eco-friendly. It's said that for this box, the plastic accounts for only 0.3%. And the text part is printed by biodegradable soybean ink, which has low toxicity. For what's inside the box is the same as the GT2. For the design of the phone, it's 8.80mm thickness and 189 grams weight. Feels thin and lightweight. What's special is the paper-like back panel. Though I've mentioned this a lot in my previous GT2 video, I still want to mention the hand feel. It's made of the biopolymer, which is extracted from paper pulp, a recyclable, biological-based material. It looks like leather, but not quite like the real leather. It feels like touching a piece of paper, but also has a very delicate, coarse texture and a sense of resistance. It sports a 6.7-inch screen 2K LTPO straight screen and have a good control of the bezel. Looks really good. We tested the screen color by using professional equipment. The average delta E is 0.7. Definitely the first tier screen performance. Here's the Antutu benchmark and the Geekbench score, basically the same as the other two Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 smartphones. As for gaming, we ran the Genshin Impact for over half an hour. The highest temperature on the front is almost 48 degrees and the maximum temperature on the back is about 46 degrees, which is somewhat hot. The average frame rate is 45 frames and the frame rate fluctuation is 568.2. We guess it's because of the unit we were testing was a prototype. That's why it had such dramatic frame rate fluctuation. Anyway, overall, we think the GT2 Pro has a good control over this chipset as it offers a 50 FPS average frame rate and accepts thermal and an overall smooth heavy game playing experience. As for battery charging, we can top up 57% in 15 minutes and fully charge in 33 minutes. Now, moving to the camera. I will just list the specs on the screen. Let's jump directly to the photo taking. What's so special about it? One thing is of course the 150-degree super wide angle lens. And here are the photo samples. Do you think they're visually striking or visually distorted? I'm not a big fan of the distorted image though. It also offers a fisheye lens effect. I prefer this one. Also, it supports 3D photo features. Check out some of the samples we've taken, which I think is pretty fun. There's a microscope lens, kind of like the Oppo Find X3 Pro. We also come with the iPhone 13. Here I'm not going to judge. You can leave your comments below with your conclusions.
Okay.
Alright, that's the video. In short, what we really like about the phone is the distinctive back panel design, excellent 2K screen performance, and some fun camera modes. But something we don't like is the lack of telephoto lens, any ideal thermal control of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and wireless charging tracer. So what do you think of the phone? Let me know in the comment section. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.
Okay.